I didn't see you there. Hi. Hi guys, it's me Dot. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to tell you about a thing that I tried. I tried a thing, and it was making rose water. And I usually use this rose water from the beauty supply store. Yep, it's just a random $5.99 rose water, but I feel like it may have some stuff in it that is not supposed to go on my face or my hair, but it smells really good. I didn't want to use this anymore, and I wanted to try a more natural method and try making my own rose water. So mine came out like this. Yes. Now Dot, why is it clear? It's rose water. Why isn't it red or pink? Well, I tried a different method, and it's using like the condensation from the pot to drip down into a bowl to make the rose water. I don't know. I'll explain it to you in the next couple clips as I show you how I made it. Okay, so I am at this flower shop. I'm at this flower shop called the Mad Potter, and I'm here to see if I can get some like good roses, not the ones that you find in like Walmart or somewhere with like pesticides and all that not good stuff, the chemicals and stuff. We want organic, picked off the bush, ain't nothing on them roses. So I'm gonna see if they have some here. Hopefully they do, because I don't want to drive anywhere else because I hate driving. So yeah, hopefully they have some. I'm about to go in there and check, and if they have some, I'll show y'all when I come back. I got the roses, and the lady in there was so sweet. First of all, she's the cutest little white lady ever. She's so cute. But I went in there and I asked them if they had any roses, and she was like, of course we have roses. So then she took me to the roses or whatever. Then I told her what I wanted them for, and she was like, oh, I wish you would have came earlier. I would have just gave you the petals. I was like, noted. So when I do this again, I'm just gonna come back and ask for the petals. But she said they had just thrown the roses out, so they didn't have any more, so I did have to buy them. And I bought 2 stems just because I don't want to use too much, and roses actually have a lot of petals on them, so I'm just gonna use that many and see if that's enough. If not, I'll definitely come back. They were $4 a stem, so I only spent like $8 right now. And yeah, so let's see how this works. I'm going to the store now to get some essential oils to put in my rose water to make it a little bit more effective, you know. But yeah, so stay tuned. So first you will need a pot to boil the water in, a glass bowl, roses, essential oil, and some water. So the first thing I did was cut the stem off of the roses so that I could better peel the petals off. Then I started to peel the petals off the hard way, one by one, until I realized that you can just pull the bud off, and it really does the work for you. After separating the roses, it was time to put them in the pot. First, I put the glass bowl in the pot, and then I sprinkled the roses around the glass bowl. Then I added my water. I used bottled water so that it could be a little more filtered than tap water. I didn't really measure the amount of water I added. I just added water until all of the rose petals were covered and none of the petals were on the bottom of the pan. Then I added essential oils. Then I turned on my pot and let my water boil. I let it boil until I started seeing the first signs of condensation, and then I added ice to speed up the condensation process. I forgot to cover up the hole in the top of the pot so none of the steam escaped, so I came back and put a command strip over it. Don't judge me. After about 5 more minutes, or until all the ice melted, I came back and took the pot off the stove. I put the condensed rose water that was in the glass bowl in a spray bottle, and I poured the rest of the rose water in a jar. And that's my attempt at rose water. Now, I'm calling this an attempt because this was my first time making the rose water, and although I thought it came out pretty good, I also think, first of all, this is all I got. This is all I got from the way that I did it this time, so I think I'm going to try a different method and see if I can't get a bigger yield, like get more water out of it. And I would probably use more roses next time too, because I feel like that really affected, one, how much water I got, and two, like the concentration of the rose in the water. So I'm definitely gonna try this again and update you guys when I try it again, because yeah, I just want you guys to know, you know, if I perfect it, of course I'm gonna let y'all know. So yeah, in the meantime, I am gonna use this one, but I still might use this one too for the smell. This smells like garden. It smells like you walked outside into someone's garden. This smells like perfume, like a floral perfume. So I'm probably gonna use this on my skin, my face, my hair, you know, that kind of stuff. But then top it off with this because it smells good. Yes. I know y'all saw the jar that I had too of, like, I did save the rest of I did save the rest of the rose water just so I can see or kind of compare what the clear rose water is like versus the pink rose water. But yeah, just to see if it's any different, if it smells any different, if it holds up any different. Yeah, I kind of want to do that comparison myself, but so far I like this one a lot, so we'll see how this goes. So I'll show you guys my updated rose water tutorial routine, whatever, when I figure it out. And I'm gonna continue to make the rose water, of course, and when I perfect it, I'll let y'all know so we can all have the secrets. I'm gonna put y'all on. I'm gonna let y'all know, because I ain't gonna leave y'all hanging out here. I'm just saying, like, we gotta all be great. We gotta all succeed together. I got y'all. Don't worry about it. See y'all in the next video. Y'all know y'all are thebomb.com. And if you like this video, if you like this tutorial and you want to see more stuff like this, make sure to comment below and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.